What is up guys, Express here, and I'm back with another top 5 designs video. Now again, we had a lot of submissions for this month as well. Not as many as the previous month, but still a lot. And I have to say, it's really difficult choosing 5 designs. So maybe next month there will be some more designs, but I'll still call it top 5 designs because that's the title of the video. Still, if you haven't joined the Discord yet, make sure to join the Discord. Links will be in the description for you to join that. There is a nice little top 5 designs month chat where you post your work in that you made that month. There is also now a feedback chat where you can give me feedback on my latest video and also give me recommendations or video ideas that you can put in that Discord. So without further ado, let's just jump straight in the first one. The first one is a nice stream overlay made by Mavi, and he put this in the Discord and I was like, god damn, the animation is smooth, the background is smooth, like the whole animation is nice, like the stars that are in the background is really nice. It's overall just a marvelous job that he done there. So of course I have to put Mavi in it again, because Mavi has been in the top 5 designs before, and I have to say I have to put him in here again because his work is amazing. If you want a nice stream overlay for your stream, go check him out. His link will be in the description. Check him out, he done amazing work, and I think yesterday was his birthday, so go wish him happy birthday. Check him out, lovely work, lovely stream, good job. I don't have anything else to say. Love the colors as well. I'm a big fan of purple, if you haven't noticed yet. Big fan of purple, and it just fits. Up to the next one. It's Kenzo. It's a Demon Slayer header. I love the text. I love the colors as well. Purple again. I'm not biased. I swear I'm not biased for the color purple, but I love the color. It fits the character as well. That is from Demon Slayer. Love the background as well with the text and everything. Generally great stuff. He's been popping out some really great stuff on his Twitter and Discord as well. So check him out on Twitter. He has some more great stuff as well. But this pops out in my opinion. Okay, up to the next one. The next one we have Confusing. First time he's on top 5 designs, because he doesn't really post on top 5 designs that much. But he's in the server, posts his stuff on Showcase, and then he posted this stuff in top 5 designs. It was the first time, so this is some really great stuff in my opinion. Love the gradient. I'm a big fan of gradient, as you guys know. Just love the simplicity, but still it looks nice and clean and simple, but it's perfect all around. He has his own kind of style that I really like. I love designers that have their own style, and he really pops out with this style. Check him out on Twitter. He has some more great stuff. He also has a stream animation with the same style that you can check out there as well. Great top 5 design submission in my opinion. Up to the next one, we have Blue, and in this banner I think you have real feeling of the summer and everything. Love the 3D text, love the flower with the gradient on top of it. I think has a really nice look to it. Love the Torah text as well, and I think it just has a refreshing look to it. And also love the little cloud that he did with the logo in the top left. It's a little detail, not everyone noticed, but still it's nice little small detail that I liked. I thought this banner was something different from the anime headers, and I thought it really jumped out to it. The colors are perfect and everything. Nothing else to say. It's a nice job. Check him out on Twitter, of course. Will be in the description. The last but not the least, we have Sinks. He has a Jujutsu Kaisen header that I really like. Love the colors, love the background. It's a bit busy, some parts I would remove, but that's just my opinion. Overall has a nice look to it. Like the text on the bottom, it has something to it in my opinion. But yeah, nice blue color as well. It looks a bit like Minsu stuff. I don't know if you guys know that guy, but I follow him on Twitter. He's a designer as well, and he creates awesome banners, and it has a bit of his style into it. But still, it has a nice look to it, and really love the banner. That is it. That is the top 5 designs. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the designs. Go check all of them out. I hope you enjoyed it. Go check out my Discord if you want to join this top 5 design series. I think this is one of my favorite series on my YouTube channel. I really enjoy taking the community to next level, and we're growing on Discord as well, almost 700 members, so that's awesome. Also almost 5,000 subscribers on this channel. That's an absolute milestone in my opinion. I hope you're gonna hit that this month, at the end of June. So you guys get a subscriber special, probably a graphics pack and maybe a Q&A in there as well. Subscribe for hitting that 5K will really be amazing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.